The Bible says that God gave gifts to men. When he ascended on high, he gave gifts to men. Apostles, prophets, evangelists, pastors, and teachers for the equipping of the saints for the work of the ministry. That means that those who have been called into those positions are not the ministry, they are the equippers. That means when we come together, this time is about us growing and gaining more of Christ so that we can represent him better when we go into the highways and the byways. The Western Christian church has kind of taken the church and turning it into an enterprise, an entertainment setting, because we are very much and always have been an entertainment-driven people. You know, Rome, when they built the Colosseums, that was their whole deal. You know, we can keep the people at peace and suppress people and oppress people if we just keep them entertained and give them some food. And the same thing is happening now. If we just give them 900 TV channels and streaming services, each one playing basically the same thing, we can keep them suppressed and oppressed and dummied down so we don't have to worry about anything. And the church has kind of taken that on a little bit, where we're so concerned about performance that we forget about his presence. So when we come into this place, I am not here to entertain you.